Black seeds oil benefits. Black seed oil is derived from the seeds of the Nigella sativa plant, which is native to South Asia. The oil has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine to treat a variety of health conditions. In recent years, scientific research has begun to shed light on the potential health benefits of black seed oil. Here are some of the most notable benefits. Anti-inflammatory properties. One of the primary benefits of black seed oil is its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can contribute to a variety of health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. Black seed oil contains compounds that have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, potentially reducing the risk of these diseases. Anti-cancer effects. Black seed oil has been found to have anti-cancer properties in both test tube and animal studies. The oil contains thymoquinone, which has been shown to induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells. Additionally, black seed oil has been shown to inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells in animal studies. Improved liver health. The liver is responsible for filtering toxins out of the body, but exposure to certain substances can cause liver damage. Black seed oil has been found to have protective effects on the liver, potentially reducing the risk of liver damage from toxins. Improved respiratory health. Black seed oil has traditionally been used to treat respiratory conditions like asthma and bronchitis. Recent research has found that the oil may be effective in reducing inflammation in the airways and improving lung function. In one study, participants with asthma who took black seed oil capsules experienced significant improvements in lung function compared to those who took a placebo. Improved skin health. Black seed oil has been used in traditional medicine to treat skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Research has found that the oil may have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that can help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress, which can contribute to skin damage. Improved digestion. Black seed oil has been traditionally used to treat digestive issues like indigestion, bloating, and constipation. Research has found that the oil may have a protective effect on the digestive system, potentially reducing inflammation and promoting healthy digestion. Improved heart health. Research has found that black seed oil may have a beneficial effect on heart health. One study found that participants who took black seed oil capsules had significant reductions in both total cholesterol and triglycerides. Additionally, the oil has been found to have antioxidant effects that may protect against oxidative stress, which can contribute to heart disease. In conclusion, black seed oil has a wide range of potential health benefits, including anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and liver protective effects. Additionally, the oil may be beneficial for improving respiratory and skin health, promoting healthy digestion, and improving heart health. While more research is needed to fully understand the effects of black seed oil on human health, these findings suggest that it may be a valuable addition to a healthy diet and lifestyle.